Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add Ethereum and ERC 20 tokens in Ledger Live. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Ledger Live application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Ledger Live if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, as you can see in the bottom corner, we have the wallet, we have the earn, discover, and your ledger, or my ledger. In the middle, we have, of course, here where you can, when you buy a device, send, receive, buy, sell, stake, and swap cryptos. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and add Ethereum and ERC20 tokens in Ledger Live. Firstly, when you have, of course, installed Ethereum app on your Ledger Live device, we have a separate video how you can do that. Then add an Ethereum account, so go to the account tab in Ledger Live, click add accounts, select Ethereum from the list and click continue. Then add ERC20 tokens. Once your Ethereum account is set up, you can add ERC20 tokens. Go to accounts tab and select your Ethereum account. Click on add token and choose ERC20 token you want to add from the list, and then confirm your token addition on your Ledger device. After that, receive ERC20 tokens. To receive those tokens, use the Ethereum address associated with your Ledger device. You can transfer ERC20 tokens from the exchange or another wallet to this address. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.